hopefully to catch Star Wars Galaxy's Edge on actual opening day without reservations. It's a free-for-all. We can't wait to see what it looks like, and so we can film it for you guys. So we hope we get in. Let's go.
Yay! I have a lot of sunscreen on, like too much.
Wow. Do you think we're gonna get in, Kimmy? I don't know.
We're not gonna get to test the reservation system.
Okay, so we're here at the Mickey and Friends parking structure, and it's completely dead. There was like no one here, and we don't know why, because it's literally opening day without reservations. Like, it is a free-for-all. So we don't know where everyone's at. And
Probably
it's kind of
everyone's
creepy.
at the bus parking lot.
Maybe. I'm about to walk over to the Pixar Pals garage, and like, look, it's like LEDs up there, so it's like red, orange, yellow. It looks super cool. There's like so much room here. There like wasn't that much room earlier. Okay, so we're finally inside, and look, it's all like blue over there, and there's so many designs of all the characters and little bubbles. The trams over there. Let's make this room. Hey, come on! Let's see when we get closer. Like, there's different lights and stuff, and it looks super cool. Like, look at that. Like, it is super cool. Awesome! Like, there's all sorts of bubbles with all the characters in them. It's all LEDs. What do you think, Kaycee?
It's awesome.
For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving. And supervise your children.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro mientras el tranvía está en movimiento. Y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
We are now approaching the main entrance plaza. At the end of your visit, please return here to take the Mickey and Friends tram back to the parking area. The trams will continue running until 1 hour.
Here we are right outside of Disneyland. We're about to get in line for a rope drop, so we hopefully can get in Batu and see all the craziness. And so far, it's been quite underwhelming. So we hope that maybe there'll be a little bit of craziness, but right now it looks kind of dead. Let's go inside. We're in. They're all heading in the same direction we are. That is to Batu, because who wouldn't?
Good thing we already did everything. We won't have to do anything else now. We're just gonna be walking around and maybe go into Olga's Cantina. I'm a porg.
What are you gonna have in Olga's Cantina?
Java juice again. It's delicious.
I'm gonna have the blue Banta again, because I love that stuff.
we get a 40? You're right. Please run. We're in.
Okay, so here we are at opening day for our Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, and we're just gonna walk around, see how the crowds are, take a lay of the land, and just go around and see what's happening. So let's go.
charged circuits? Probably nothing important.
The First Order is now firmly in power. The Resistance has all but been destroyed, but who doesn't want to accept it? They don't see that the First Order brings stability, order, and the rule of law to the galaxy. The Resistance will disrupt this balance. But you see, they bring conflict, aggression, even war. And we would be forced to respond with the same. And yet, oh, they press on, trying to survive, keep fighting for this hopeless cause. We believe a Resistance spy was sent here to Batu. Some of you may have even cooperated. We will find out. And then you may feel the consequences of your very own actions today. Troopers!
Lieutenant.
It's him.
Sir, welcome to Batu.
You are a poor ambassador. Have you found the Resistance spy?
Not yet, sir, but we will. I've dispatched recon patrols amongst the outposts.
You have failed, Lieutenant.
Sir,
That Resistance spy was tracked to Batu. You were sent to find her.
sir.
If she is here, she may not be alone. Do you understand? The Resistance must not be allowed to regroup. If someone in this outpost knows something, we need to find them.
Sir, I will lead a team right away.
You will await further orders. Troopers,
Yes, sir. Well, you heard the Supreme Leader. We are searching for that Resistance spy. If you're with the Order, any intel would be appreciated. If you are not, make sure you stay out of our way.
Kaycee, what are we gonna do right now? What are we gonna do right now?
We're gonna go ride on Star Tours.
Attention please. Galactic Security would like to remind you to keep carry-on luggage and packages with you at all times. Never accept packages from any life form or droid you are not familiar with.
We must all be vigilant. Spies here? They don't look suspicious to me at all. Strange announcement. Your captain suits up. Sometimes he can be a bit too vigilant.
We decided to come off-world for lunch at Carnation Cafe, and we're about to get our food.
We're going on Big Thunder Mountain right now, right before we head back into Batu, and then we're gonna get ice cream. It's gonna be amazing.
talk to us. Take evasive action. You got one. Excellent, my friend. Power up the ship. Well, I have the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilot, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Flight engineer, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Gunners, shoot the train. The cargo is breaking free. Keep shooting. Good job, my friends. Yes. We got the coaxium. I will grab it. You keep after the train. We did not die. Let's get out of here.
Take to the left.
Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remote. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance.
How's our cleanest room
You
yet?
heard the first order and made Chewie proud. Now after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad.
Okay, so in Outpost Control, you have these panels right here. And this one, as you can see, because of the blue and the red lights, it is undecided. It's not been hacked more towards the Resistance or more towards the First Order. So when you hack it, it should either, whether you choose First Order or Resistance, a little perimeter around it'll turn red if you hack First Order or blue if you hack Resistance. And it'll tell you. So each one that lights up red is under the control of the First Order mostly. Each one that lights up blue is under the Resistance mostly. So that's what these panels do. They're not just blinking for no reason. They're trying to inform you who actually owns these panels. First Order has won over this battle. We're at Droid Depot here, and look, there is no one in line. It is so dead. But like, look, all the stations are empty, the conveyor belt's empty, like, all of it's empty, like, every single bit. There's barely anyone. It's amazing.
I am looking for the Wookiee who flies the Millennium Falcon. If you see him, will you notify the First Order? Very good. We will call on you when it's time. Your enthusiasm for the dark side is reassuring. You do not yet know the Force. You may have powers that you are not aware of. Go now and discover your true power. Look to the dark side.
Have a good day.
So here we are at the end of our trip to Batu Galaxy's Edge, and on opening day, June 24th, and it was actually kind of nice because today we went for a little bit here and then we left for lunch at Carnation Cafe. We didn't expect to get back in, but we got in really easily. We were on the Falcon 3 times, which is something I didn't expect to accomplish, because there were spots when it was really high in the wait times, and then there were spots when it was really low in the wait times. So that's what you have to take advantage of, because there's only a few minutes in those little spots with low wait times before it climbs all the way up to 65. So we had a really fun time here. It was really, really nice here, and we hope to come back really soon when it's like this again. And eventually people are going to start coming here, and eventually it's going to get sort of crazy. So that's all for now.
Yeah, and look at the Lost Cat footprints. Look, they're Lost Cats, or Lothar Cats. I don't know how to pronounce it, but they're here.
Alright, make sure to like and subscribe and follow us on Instagram at Sister Saga 2, and our Twitter. And we'll see you next time.